Ages. A very small topic, but a beautiful topic. Unless you have problem in forming a linear equation. Now there is nothing much to learn in the ages because it is just a combination of ratios, averages and linear equations. If you know how to form an equation, well, you're almost ready to learn ages. There are certain things that we must understand before actually starting the problems. So in this video, I'll take up a very few famous characters that we all know. So based on their ages, we shall see how a different kind of questions can be played at us. Hi, I'm Abhilash Verma. Welcome to Learn Online. The very basic stuff what you should understand in the ages is how to write or represent the present, future and the past ages. Let us say right now your age is 20 years. Then according to you, after 10 years, what will be your age? It has to be 30. Well, if I ask you 10 years ago, what should be your age? It should have been 10 years, right? Let us say today your age is X. Then after 10 years, what will be your age? X plus 10. Then 10 years before, what was your age? X minus 10. Now, if you know this simple trick, and if you have knowledge of ratios and averages, you can solve any type of the question in averages. So let us start with few basic problems now. Let us assume the three epic names of Mahabharata, they are Arjuna, Karna and Kunti. Let us assume their ages as well. Now based on that, I will show you how differently the questions can be formed. Now let us assume the age of Karna as 18. Then Karna must be 36 and then Kunti must be 49 because it was told in the text that Kunti was presented with Karna by Surya when she was at the age of 13. So that's why the age difference between Kunti and Karna, I took it as 13. Now let us see how the questions can be formed. Now for now, let us involve only Karna and Arjuna. Now a question can be given something like this. Sum of the ages of Karna and Arjuna is 54. That is Karna plus Arjuna age is 54. Okay. And the ratio of the ages will also be given to you. That is, in this case, if I take the ratio of ages as Karna to Arjuna as 2:1. Okay. Now I can ask you, what are the current ages of Karna and Arjuna? Well, this is a very simple question if you try this. We know that present ages are in the ratio of 2:1. Now this is just the ratio, but not the actual ages. Then what should be their actual ages? From the concept of ratio, we know that their ages will be 2x and x, where x is the HCF of the actual ages of Karna and Arjuna. Now, together, sum of their ages is 3x, which according to the question is given as 54. Then what will be x? 54 by 3 is 18. Now, if you want their ages, we know that Karna is a 2x, x value is 18, that means his age is 36. And Arjuna is x, whose value is 18. That should be the present ages of Karna and Arjuna, which is absolutely same as what I have taken. Now, what if I modify the question something like this? Suppose 10 years ago, ratio of the ages of Karna and Arjuna is 13:4, and at present, sum of their ages, that is Karna plus Arjuna, is 54. Then what are the ages of Karna and Arjuna? And definitely we should get the same answer because everything I am forming based on the data which I have given you here. Now if I solve this question, we should get, look, 10 years ago, the ratio was given as 13:4, which is actually the ratio but not the actual ages. So we know then we can write their actual ages as 13x and 4x. Agree? Now at present, this was a 10 years ago. At present means Karna's age will be 10 more than 36 and Arjuna's age will be 10 more than 4x. So I can write Karna's age as 13x plus 10 and Arjuna's age as 4x plus 10. Now if we add everything, that should give us the sum of the present ages of Arjuna and Karna, which according to the question is 54. So if we do this, 13x plus 4x, which is 17x plus 20 is equals to sum 54. So if we continue further, we should get 17x is equals to 54 minus 20 is 34 and x equals to 2. Now what do we want? Present ages of Karna and Arjuna. Then Karna, present age is 13x plus 10, x value is 2, 13 into 2, 26 plus 10, that should give us 36. Again Arjuna, present age is 4x plus 10, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 10 is 18 and definitely we will get the same answer. Please understand what I am trying to do here. I am trying to show you in how many different ways the question can be modified with the same problem. Now, suppose if I slightly increase the difficulty here. Let me put the question in this way. 9 years ago, the age of Karna or Karna is thrice as old as Arjuna. But after 9 years, ratio of their ages will be 5:3. Then what are the present ages of Arjuna and Karna? I'm repeating what I said. 9 years ago, Karna was thrice as old as Arjuna. Now, we are talking about 3 time frames. Present, past and future. Let us check that. Let us assume present age of Karna as K and Arjuna as A. Now, I told 9 years ago, Karna was thrice as old as Arjuna. So, today present age of Karna is K, means 9 years ago it should have been 9 minus K. Now again, Arjuna's present age is A, means 9 years ago it should have been K minus 9. Likewise, A minus 9. After 9 years, so today Karna's age is K, means after 9 years it should be K plus 9 and Arjuna's age will be A plus 9. Right? Now, 9 years ago, I told you Arjuna was thrice as old as Karna was thrice as old as Arjuna. So Karna 9 years ago was K minus 9 was equal to thrice, means 3 times as old as Arjuna. Arjuna was how much? A minus 9. Agree? Now again, after 9 years, ratio of their ages, I have given it as 5:3. So after 9 years, Karna will be K plus 9 and Arjuna will be A plus 9. And this ratio I have given it as 5:3. Right? Now, we want the present ages of Karna and Arjuna. Now let us see how to calculate that. Now if we further solve this equation, we should get K plus 9 divided by A plus 9 is equals to 5/3. So if we cross multiply them, we should get 3K plus 27 is equals to 5A plus 45. Again, 3K is equals to 27. If I send it that side, I'll be left with 5A. 45 minus 27 is 18. So this is one equation and this is one equation we have. Right? Now, if you see here, if you solve these two equations, we should get either A value or K value. So let us cancel the K value and calculate A value in the beginning. Now, but here coefficient of K is 3, but here it is only 1. What do? We multiply this equation with 3. Then it becomes 3 into K, 3K minus 27 equal to 3 into 3, 9, 9 into A, 9A minus 9 into 3, 27. So if I put it in a simpler terms, 3K is equals to 9A minus 27 minus, this is 27 perfect, 9 into 9, 81 it has to be. because we have 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 9, 81. So what do we do here? We have minus 81 here and minus 27 here. If it goes that side, that becomes plus. So 81 minus 27, that should be 54, minus 54. So we have one equation here, one equation here. Let us bring it here. If I bring it here, we'll get 3k is equal to 5a plus 18. If we solve both of them, minus, minus, minus. 3k gets cancelled. 9a minus 5a is 4a. Minus 54 minus 18 should give us minus 72. So this is equals to 0. Then we should get 4a equal to 72 and a is equals to 72 by 4 is 18. That is age of Arjuna. If you see, this is absolutely right with respect to what we have assumed in the beginning, because everything what we are framing here based on the same data which I have given in the beginning. Now, if you want Karna's age as well, you can put this here. Put the value of a in this equation or in this equation, doesn't matter, you'll get the same answer. Let us put it here. If I applied here, 3k is equals to, what do we have here? 5a. What is a value? 18. 18 into 5 is 90 plus 18. So 3k is equals to 108. If we solve this, we should get k is equals to 108 divided by 3. That should be 36. If you see, here as well, Karna's age is absolutely 36. So this is one way of solving, but don't you feel this is pretty lengthier to solve? Yes. Let us see how fast we can actually get the answer for this question. Well, if we just change the way we assume the values in the past, present, and the future, we can actually reduce the size of the problem drastically. Let me show that to you. See, instead of assuming the present ages as k and a, let me assume past ages as k and a. So 9 years ago, age of Karna was k and Arjuna was a. It means at present there will be k plus 9 and a plus 9. Now again in the future, after 9 years, it means 9 years more than this, k plus 9 should give us k plus 18 and a plus 18. Well, you might be thinking, how will this reduce the size of the problem? Let us see that now. See, as I told you, 9 years ago, Karna was thrice as old as Arjuna. It means k is equals to, 9 years ago, k and a. K is equals to thrice as old as Arjuna means 3a. Now, if you see this, this equation has become very simpler. There are no extra addition or subtractions here. Now, when I come to this, I told you the ratio of the ages after 9 years will be 5:3. It means after 9 years, Karna was k plus 18 and Arjuna was a plus 18, and their ratios would be 5/3. So if we cross multiply, we'll get the equation, that is 3k plus 18 into 3, 54, 5 into a, 5a, plus 18 into 5, 90. So if I rewrite this equation, 3k is equals to 5a, 54 goes that side, 90 minus 54 is plus 36. So, well, if I substitute this equation in this, we should directly get the answer. Let us see that. I'll bring it here. In place of k, I'll put a 3a. 3 into 3a is a 9a is equals to 5a plus 36. We shall bring this 5a this side, then we should get 4a equal to 36, then a is equals to 9. 36 by 4 is 9. Now, we want k value as well. What do? We use the same equation here. K is equals to 3a and a value is 9. 3 into 9 is 27. Well, these are not our answers. What do we want? Present ages of Karna and Arjuna. But present ages are k plus 9 and a plus 9. So then we should get k plus 9 is, or in this case, a plus 9 is 9 plus 9, 18. Likewise, k plus 9. We know k value is 27, plus 9 should give us 36. These are the actual values of, or the present ages of Karna and Arjuna. So now you might be thinking, why did the length of the problem reduced like anything just by changing the way we assume the numbers? It's very simple. If you see in the previous assumption, here we had k minus 9 and a minus 9. Here we had k plus 9 and a plus 9. Well, in both the equations, we have additional difference of the numbers and addition of the numbers. But in this case, we are avoiding that. That is the reason why this method will give you the shorter answer compared to the previous one. So in a simple terms, you should understand that try to avoid that additions and subtractions in both the equations. Try to keep them to only one equation so that you can reduce the calculation part. So now you have seen what happens when we involve ratios in the problems of ages. Now let us include averages this time. So what I say, the average age of the Karna and Arjuna at present is 27. What are their present ages? Well, this is one of the simplest question what I can ask actually. So average ages of Karna and Arjuna means I can write it as k plus a divided by 2. So this is given as a 27. Now what happens? K plus a is equals to 54. But what did I ask? What are the present ages of Karna and Arjuna? Can I get it with that? No, you can't. Why? Because average will always produce us only the sum. It is nowhere related with the ratio. So what you have to do in this question means if I want the solution for this, I must definitely give the ratio of their ages. Suppose if I give the ratio of Karna and Arjuna as a 2:1, then you can actually calculate the answer. See, since using the average, we can calculate their sum. In the very first problem, I directly gave you the sum, but in this problem, I did not give you the sum. I gave you the average so that you can calculate the sum. So along with that, we must need this ratio to calculate the answer. Now, if I want to calculate the answer, we know that Karna is 2 parts out of 2 plus 1, 3 of total age 54, 3 into 1, 3 into 18, 18 into 2, 36. Likewise, Arjuna is 1 part out of 3 parts of total sum of their age is 54. Again 3 into 1, 3 into 18, Arjuna's age is 18. So that's how we can calculate when the average is also involved in the problems on ratios. Make sure that average will only lead you to the sum. But unless you are given with the ratio, you cannot calculate the answer here. Suppose if I form the question in this way. Product of the ages of Karna and Arjuna is 648 and the ratio of the present ages is 2:1. So what are their ages? See, we have 2:1 is the ratio. Then what will be the actual ages? 2x and x. And the product of their ages is given as 648, means 2x into x is equals to 648. What do we get? 2x square is equals to 648. So if we cancel this, we should get 2 into 324. X square is equals to 324. Then x must be equal to 18. But what do we want? Present ages of Karna and Arjuna. We know Karna is 2x. So 2 into 18, 36. Arjuna's age is x, which must be equal to 18. Suppose if I frame a question something like this. 10 years ago, the age difference between Karna and Arjuna is 18 years. Now, after 9 years, the ratio of their ages is 5:3. Then what are the current ages of Karna and Arjuna? Well, this is after 9 years. The ratio of the ages is 5:3 means I'll consider this as 5x and 3x. Okay. Now, if we know the difference after 9 years, we can easily calculate this. But what was given in the question? Age difference at 10 years ago was given as 18. Then what will be age difference after 9 years? Well, if you're trying to crack your head here, you're wasting your time. It's a simple thing, guys. Age difference between two people will never change. It will always remain same. Just ask yourself, if the age difference between you and your sibling at the time of your birth is 3 years, even after 10 years also, he will be 13 and you will be 10. Age difference is 3 only. Even after 20 years, he will be 23 and you will be 20. Age difference will be 3. So age difference always remains same. So here he has given age difference 10 years ago as 18 means after 9 years as well, age difference should be is 18. So 5x minus 3x is also equal to 18. What do we get? 2x is equals to 9 and x is equals 2x equals to 18 and x equals to 9. So then we should get that 5x Karna This is 9 years ago. I'm sorry, after 9 years. After 9 years, we know that Karna is 5x, 5 into 9, 45, and Arjuna is a 3x, 3 into 9, 27, but these are after 9 years. But what do we want? We want present ages of Karna and Arjuna. Careful, do not click them as your answers if you find these in the options. So Karna, after 9 years, he will be 45. Means today, 9 years less than 45, that must be 36. And Arjuna, after 9 years, he will be 27. Means today, he will be 9 years less than 27. That should give us 18. Once again, absolutely the same answer as the data what we have assumed in the beginning. Suppose if I pose the question something like this. 10 years ago, some of the ages of Karna and Arjuna is 34. And the present age of Kunti is 22 years more than the present average age of Karna and Arjuna. So what is the age of Kunti? Let us understand this. What I said, 10 years ago, some of the ages of Karna and Arjuna is 34. It means, can I tell present ages of Karna, some of the present ages of Karna and Arjuna is 54. Why? 10 years ago, some of their ages was 34 means, so today each of their ages will be increased by 10 plus 10. So 20 increased in the sum. So 10 years ago, sum was 34 means, so today the sum must be equal to 54. Now we know that Kunti's age is 22 more than average age of Karna and Arjuna. That is Karna plus Arjuna divided by 2. Then Kunti will be 22 plus. We know sum of the ages of Karna and Arjuna today, which is 54. 54 divided by 2 should give us 27. Then what should be the age of Kunti? That must be equal to 49. If you see, we'll get absolutely the same answer. So recall, how do you get the sum directly from past to the present? Let us say if the sum of their ages in the past, if I call it as 36. 10 years ago, if I call the sum of their ages as 36, what will be today? It will be 56. Why? Both of their ages will increase by 10 and 10, total 20 increase in the sum. Suppose if I say sum of their ages was 15. Let us say let us say 45. I'm just taking a random example. 45, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, sum of their ages is 45. Today, what will be the sum of their ages? 55. Why? For each of them, age will increase by 5 and 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So, increase in sum will be 10. Well, these are the very few basic questions that can be asked in the ages. Well, I haven't taught you much, but what I did is, I just took a simple scenario and tried to show you how else the question can be modified. Well, there will be questions where we'll be dealing with the 5 people, 6 people, average ages of the past and the average ages of the future can be given in the same question. So, all those things we will be discussing when we are discussing ages at advanced level. To watch more free videos, download our LOL application from Play Stores. If you are benefited by these videos, please like and share our videos, and also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of our new videos that we upload regularly. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you want to reach out to me or any of my team members, you can always do that through any of the social media platforms, and the links of which are already provided in the description below.